Hi, pumpkin pie! Are you ready for this video?
It's a beautiful day for running. Hi friends, it's me, Brianda. Do you want to play with me? Excellent! Did you hear that sound? I have a monster in my tummy because I'm hungry. Listen.
I'm hungry.
Fruits? Okay, let's play riddles. If you guess the fruits, you can eat them. Okay, are you ready? Let's go. I'm ready. How about you kids? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. Listen carefully. The monkeys love to eat me. I'm yellow outside. Take off my peel before you eat me. Who am I? Wow! Banana! Correct! The banana is my favorite fruit. Yummy! Riddle number 2. I have a smooth skin. I grow on tree. I'm green. Who am I? Wow! It's a pear. This pear is so delicious. Okay, riddle number 3. I'm very sweet. I'm round and small. I could be purple or green. Who am I? Wow! Grapes! Wow! Yummy! Delicious. Okay, now riddle number 4. I grow on trees. I'm healthy fruit. I could be red, yellow, or green. Who am I? Wow! Apple! The apple is healthy.
See you later. Hasta pronto. French Brahen Institute. Bye bye butterflies.